Welcome to our video series, Learn Rhino 3D in 11 simple ring band projects. In this video, I'll take you through the Move command. The Move command in Rhino allows you to select objects, pick a point to move from, and a point to move to. We can do so in two ways, either using the mouse cursor to drag an object on the construction plane, or inputting a specific distance. Let's go ahead and maximize perspective view. Now I'll go ahead and draw a box on the construction plane. I'll type in the Move command and select my object to move, the box. Press Enter, and now let's choose a point to move from. For point to move to, I can simply drop my cursor to any spot on the construction plane. I'll go ahead and press Enter to re-engage the Move command. I'll select my box, press Enter, and choose a point to move from. Now I need to draw out my cursor a little bit first, and I'll input a distance of 25. I'll press Enter, and note how the box jumps forward 25 units. The command will not end until I click on the construction plane, so I can change the value, for example, if I want to change to 40 units. I'll press Enter, and note the box moved again. I'll click on the construction plane, and now I've moved it 40 units from the original position at the specific spot that I clicked on. The Move command is very useful to move objects around the construction plane, especially when there is a set distance you'd like to move. The Move command is an essential component of using object snaps, which we will explore in the next video. Stay tuned!